This video is going to walk you through the steps of adding fractions with uncommon denominators. The first problem we're going to look at is 2/4 plus 1/6. Because the two fractions do not have a common denominator, we cannot yet add them. It's a three-step process. The first step is we need to find a common denominator for 4 and 6. We need to think, what are all of the multiples of 4 and what are the multiples of 6? And which numbers would be included in both lists. So multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, and so on. 6 multiples would be 6, 12, 18, and so on. One number that has already been said in both lists would be 12. So I'm going to use 12 as the common denominator for both fractions. I'm going to create two new fractions with that denominator of 12. Because the 4 was multiplied by 3 to become a 12, I have to also multiply the numerator by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And here, 6 was multiplied by 2 to become 12. So because the denominator is multiplied by 2, I have to also multiply the numerator by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So 6/12 is an equivalent fraction for 2/4. 2/12 is an equivalent fraction for 1/6. Now I can add. Always just add the numerators. 6 plus 2 is 8, and the 12 remains the same. A second example would be 1/3 plus 3/6. Again, I cannot yet add them because we don't have common denominators. Now in this case, a common denominator for both 3 and 6 could be the 6. That would be a number that would be in the list of both multiples. It would be the least common multiple. So I'm going to use the common denominator of 6. Because this denominator did not change, I'm not going to change the numerator either. Over here, I multiplied 3 times 2 to create a 6, so I have to also multiply the numerator by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now the last step is to add. 2 plus 3 is 5. And my denominator stays the same.